Currently in the Lund Pro-V Bass right now, and this is a perfect moment for me to show you guys why I chose this boat, why I like this boat, why I've been fishing for all these years, and this is the boat that I chose. First and foremost, starting at the bow. The amount of storage in this rig in of itself really is what intrigued me. You've got two absolute cavernous compartments here. As a bass angler, we bring everything, including the kitchen sink. I've got two large totes full of all the soft plastics that, of course, the fish for me won't eat, but there you have it. And of course, I've got my line, hard bait storage, glide storage, and I keep my graphs and my boat cover all up here too. And if that wasn't enough storage, you've also got these two little hidey holes right here, which I've yet to even put anything in because it's just extra stuff. But this would be great for camping gear if you're doing a little island hopping. You could fit like a little stove in there, all of the goodies, like a small tent. And there's another one, of course, right up here. A lot of boats don't have those two extra spots for accessories. And for me, I'm not just fishing, I'm exploring. So it's important to have as much room as I possibly can. Not only can you fit a bunch of gear in here, but you can actually fit a bunch of people in here. This boat is rated for 5, which is insane for any boat, especially for a bass boat. Of course, you've got your captain seat, your skipper seat, and then what's really cool, as opposed to just throwing someone right on the deck, these little back flaps flip up for extra seating. Of course, under these compartments too. You guessed it, more storage. So I keep my charger in there, my battery for my graphs, and then under this one, we keep things like throwable life vests. I got my scale in there, anything that we need to fizz fish or recover them if we're catching on deep water. And then of course, more back storage, absolutely full and teeming with gear. If you're looking for, I think, a boat that can fit all of your necessities and your items, this is it. There really is no other option that I've found, and that's why I've got this boat. I bought it in the first place, and it's super smooth, it's super comfortable. Of course, it's a Pro-V Bass, but we've caught all kinds of unique species out of this rig, including fresh and salt.